nga tolina budde buwummula, you get. Nengamba then nengezaako kuno okusimba ebintu naye nga the space is small, enkuba entawaanya, even the people around. Nengamba bannange, then nengezaako okulunda breed gye nalinda. Saagireeta mu kamera baana mmwe, naye breed eri yankosa, in fact yali ya ssente zange ezawera obukadde busatu. Ekyamazima aga Katonda, breed eri siragaana nagyogera linnya, because whenever I think about that breed, mpulira omuntu yeyedye baana mmwe, breed eri yankosa. Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. I welcome you all at Molly Local Poultry Farm. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking, sharing. I'm so grateful for your wonderful support. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. My dears, in today's video, I've come to share with you the lessons I've learned in this venture of local poultry and the tough times, the tough time I have faced in this venture of a local poultry. As you all know, starting is not easy. Okutandika si kyangu, entandikwa teba nnyangu. So today I've come to share with you this the tough time I have faced in this venture and the lessons I've learned in this venture of a local poultry. I'm so grateful for your wonderful support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My returning viewers, I salute you, friends. Thank you so much. Those who like, those who share, those who comment, thank you so much. And may God bless you. Yeah, one of the things I've seen, people's lives are crazy. When you look at the rich people, when you look at the rich people, they are still yearning for money. When you look at the professors, when you look at those educated people, they are all yearning for money. So when you look at people's needs, even people's lives are crazy. I can't say that nti oba ntuuse gye nnina okulaga oba natuuka oba nakola ki. No, I'm still moving. I'm just starting a journey. And no one will tell you that I'm satisfied. Now I've got the they are still young. They are still yearning for money. So people's lives are crazy. They are totally crazy. Tewalina omu agamba nti akola namala. So that's life and that's how we are created. Yeah. So friends, when you look at the situation we are in, more so here in this country, people are demoted. Their works, people are demoted, different professions. People are now they are part-timing. Abantu abaali balina emirimu egya full time, right now they are part-timing, and ebintu ebimu babibasuddeko busuuzi nga tebabyetegekedde. So think about the time lwe kinaatuuka nga bakugamba nti now Molly wano ogenda kutandika nga kujja kukolangamu half day oba once in a while or 2 days in a week. What will be that? Kikyobozaako my dear, if that tough time comes in your life. Yeah, so tulowooze nnyo each and everything. I know some people who are professional their work, but they are demoted. Some of them right now they are part-timing. Babakendezezza essaawa z'alina okukola. Part-timing, that means they have reduced on the time, the hours you have to work in a day. So once they reduce on the hours, they have to reduce on the salary you get. So think about that. Yes. So one of the things I have learned in this adventure of a local poultry is to engage in little things if you are to succeed. When I was beginning, I used to do this, 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 and this. Then I ended up uh, not making it to the other things. Then I sat down and nebulira ayimoli and nebulira ng'omuntu nengamba no, let me do this. Kuba nagirira mainly nga nzize kulunda nkoko. So let me deal with that, then other things, nembisalako. So the major thing I would just emphasize here is let's do not engage ourselves in very many things because at the end you end up tomanyi kiki kikozesa loss. Then too you put in much energy. Ojja kuba oteekamu amaanyi mangi, you get amaanyi ogenda kuba oteekamu mangi ate okomekereze nga wano oteekawo ssente newali oteekawo ssente ogemere otegeera wa bw'osinga okuteeka ssente ate wa ewasse ssente ezo. So engage in very few things if you are to succeed in this venture of local poultry. I'm happy in this venture of local poultry because when you look at my YouTube channel, it has grown. I thank God and I thank you people, my friends, my fans, my local poultry farm family. Thank you so much. My YouTube is growing. Uh, I've seen very many channels ng'otandika channel n'egenda mwaka myaka ebiri myaka esatu myaka ena naye nga ne subscriptions 1,000 zaagana. So I thank God for that and I'm very happy for that. This YouTube channel has linked me to very many people, to the people in different parts of the world. So I'm happy for that because before coming in poultry, I was a teacher. Naye I was not nga only the parents be bammanyi n'abaana benkola ki bensomesa, even the community when gye be nayitangako. But right now I'm happy for that. It has connected me to different people and to important people, to my clients. So I'm happy for YouTube. I'm happy for my channel. I'm happy it's growing. And for the other profession, teaching profession, I was not having time and I had nothing to tell you. Even I was not having knowledge about YouTube because I train people online. I even once I come here, once you watch my channel oba osoma and era mba nkusomesa oba mba nkuwa some knowledge. So I'm happy for that because a teaching profession, teaching is something which is very wide. I'm still teaching on YouTube. Naye sikyali mu class. The other system of getting a piece of chalk and I teach these young kids. No, 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 no. My audience right now, they are mature people. They are responsible people. So I'm still teaching, but not getting a piece of chalk and a pen to tick, to mark the books. Yes, so I'm happy for that. And this YouTube, it has helped me to learn very many things like dealing with customers, taking care of my birds, making videos to upload on YouTube, my lives and so on. So I am looking at it as if it's something which is giving me some chances of engaging in very many things and learning very many things. Even I get time to watch some other people's channels. So I have that chance because um nekozesa and I have enough time to do each and everything which is on my program, which was not the case at that when I was in the other profession of teaching. So that's another thing. Then uh, I've in this venture of a local poultry, I've learned that if you engage yourself in your own uh, business, there are very many chances of doing your own things and your own program. When I was still teaching, you only do the work of your boss. Remember, we used to go to the places of work very early in the morning, we come back very late in the evening. So we were not having time to think about this, and this. So, but right now I have enough time. I am the one eyekolera program yange nemanya nti that's a Friday I will do this and this. So I'm seeing it as an advantage that nekozesa I make my own program. Nemanya nti okay, kati olwaleero nina okutwala amagi ku kyuma, olwaleero nina okukola kino, then weekend nina okukola kino, weekend like that. Then we used to work, our bosses, they used to make for us a program. Even they can tell you, oh, on Saturday we are having a program, so we have to come as teachers, you have to do this. But no, okay. So that was it. So I thank God for that, and that's one of the lessons I've learned that when you do your own things, you make your own program, and you can do more than one thing uh, at in a day. You get kasitavanga biri ku program. So that is it. So I Molly, um, I'm looking at this as you feel like or you free. Booked up my chai molly. I wake up in the morning, enter my poultry house, give them food, water, and everything I organize properly. Then I get out of the poultry house. We go back just to collect the eggs. Then I do my videos, I edit, I do it. You get. Anyways, namba customer bantu nakubira nayagala kino nakubira nayagala ki, but as you know, bw'obanga you are bakusasula busabuzi bakozesa bukozesa, even picking a phone call, it's picking a phone call nakyo kifunamu obuzibu. Oyinza okukwata esooka n'eyokubiri eyokusatu oyinza obutagikwata kuba bosi ayinza okuba nga ali awo. So it is giving me peace. You get. Mpulira nga muli nina emirembe. You get. Then focus on one thing. Focus on one thing. As I told you in the beginning, natandika nga ninawo BSF. Njogera nnyo BSF banne munoonyeze ku BSF. Ezo envunyu, not envunyu, enswera zaaba, the BSF lover. So ebyo ebiswera nabirundako naye nga the space is small and we are in as you know towns. Tulinawo abantu abaliraanye okumpi so nga they are not conducive for those people. Ne ŋŋamba okay, so nga birina emirimu olina obituusaamu bwe bikula olina obiggyamu muyinza okuba nga olina bingi ng'enkoko tezigenda bimalawo olina obiggyamu n'obikungunta n'obisiika n'obyanika n'obisekula ne ŋŋamba mole nga tolina budde buwummula you get. Ne ŋŋamba then ne ngezaako n'okusimba ebintu naye nga the space is small, enkuba entawaanya, even the people around. Ne ŋŋamba bannange then ne ngezaako okulunda breed gye nalunda. Saagireeta mu kamera bannammwe naye breed yali yankosa, in fact yali ya ssente zange ezaawera obukadde busatu. Ekyamazima aga Katonda breed eri siragaana nagyogera linnya because whenever I think about that breed mpulira oba omuntu yali bannammwe breed eri yankosa. So nenjiga ekyo kimu don't engage in very many things because I had my locals naye nno muwulirizaako why ekyekituufu oli yeyangulira obukoko kati bwe yabungulira ngezaako neno breed nengezaako neerendamu breed kye yankola omanyi okufiirwa ssente nga ne ssente ezaagula obukoko tozijja naye ng'okoko girisiza emyezi esatu plus naye nga ne ssente ezigula obuguzi obukoko tezivaayo obukoko bwadde wano omanyi kyekitegeeza. So nenjigamu nti tolina kwenyigira mu gantu gaki. Now I'm happy for this. venture nti I started small. Muyinza okugamba naye mole kati ki ky'otulagawo tulage kino tulage kiri. Some people balaga ebintu byabwe but buli omu y'amanyi ky'ayagala. Ayi moli togenda kuŋŋamba nti tulage kino kiki ky'okoze kiki. Naye even ne bwe mba njogera bwogezi olaba my beginning was even sometimes I get time when I check on my previous videos. Genda okebera oyinza okugamba ono mole mulala n'oli muki n'oli mulala. For sure I'm happy for this business, for this venture, because at first I was able to supply like 8 trays, 10 trays per week, like that. Amalungi, 10, 12 trays. Then right now I'm able to supply enough. Ekimala ng'olimu nga njagala tufabiri, I can. I have given out the chicks to very many people to different districts. I have supplied eggs to different areas. I have simanyi na kyenzza kugamba naye ng'entandikwa siwete we yali. So n'okulemerako it is very very important. Lemerako ojja kutuuka gy'olaga. So I love you so much friends. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for each and everything towards this channel. I'm so grateful, and may God bless you all. So if you want to come for training, we train people about poultry, oyagala kusoma nkoko, oyagala kuyiga ebibatabula, oyagala kuyiga ebibagema, come at Molly Local Poultry Farm tukuyigirize enkoko ennansi. Come at Molly Local Poultry Farm. If you want to book with us, if you want to place your order, just call us on 0787 96 20 70. That is my WhatsApp number. Then 075 949 8204. That is my Airtel number. It's not on WhatsApp. Book with us, place your order. I'm planning for you the Christmas offers. Mwetegekere Christmas offers ziyingira in November. So I love you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.
Pozi gwe wenna ali eyo ng'oyagala mmere ya nkoko, oyagala mmere ya mbizzi, mmere ya nte, mmere ya mbuzi zo, jangu ku Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds bakuguze emmere, bakutabulire emmere. Enkoko zo zaakona, zaagaana okubiika, embizzi zo zaakona, zaagaana okukula, jangu bakutabulire. Buli kisolo kyonna, mmere ya nkoko, mmere ya mbuzi, mmere ya nte, mmere ya mbizzi, buli kimu bakirina. Jangu ku Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds basangibwa Busega mu Kibumbiro near Samona Factory. Ennamba z'essimu zeezo 0752720672 be ba Alukindi Poultry and Animal Feeds.